Hello and welcome to Shaz's video. So today you are going to see my face, I'm afraid, and I'm using this whiteboard, this mini whiteboard at the back of my door, and hopefully this will help us a little bit better to get across what I'm trying to get across. So today we're going to look at quadratic factorizing. This sounds very, very difficult, but honestly, it's not too bad. What you do need to know, though, is prior knowledge, and your prior knowledge is factors and negative, positive numbers. So let's have a look at these two things first, so you're comfortable with that, okay? And then we can do the quadratic factorizing. Once we've done that, you will see how easy it actually is, okay? So here we go. Factors. Factors of a number. Now, okay, so factors of 24. Now, I would suggest you start from 1 and you work your way down. So 1 times what makes 24? What? 24. 2 times 12 equals 24. 3 times 8 equals 24. 4 times 6 equals 24. 5 won't go into 24. 6, well, we're back to 6. So that's our factors. And that is the very first thing that you need to do when working out quadratic factorizing. You need to know your factors of a number. Now, your negative and positive numbers, this is when we manipulate it to make a certain number. So, for example, if I chose this, and I needed to make the number 2, I would manipulate that by going, therefore, minus 4 plus 2. Sorry, plus 6. I need to make 2. So I've used the exact same numbers in the exact same order, and but what I've done is I've put a minus or a plus in front of them. So here I've got minus 4 plus 6, and that will equal 2 if I need it to. Okay, sorry, the sun's in that a little bit, but that does say 2. Okay, so I've manipulated that. So let me just get my board up. So, let's have another quick look. Oh, it's not a great rubber. Another look at that. So, factors of let's go 30. Okay, 1 times 30, 2 times 15, 3 times 10, 4 won't go into 30, 5 will, 5 times 6, I had to think then, 5 times 6, 6, we're back, okay? Now I keep it in this order because it makes it nice and easy. I can check my times table. Now, therefore, if I needed to make 7, let's say I needed to make 7 from these. 1 time, minus 1 plus 3, no. Minus 2, minus 5, no. Wait here. Minus 3 plus 10 would equal 7. So we can manipulate it how we want to. Okay, so practice that a little bit. And now I'm going to show you how that applies to quadratic factorising. Okay. Ooh, let's get rid of that. Oh, I think I'll have to wash this board after. So, quadratic factorising. Now, I absolutely love quadratic factorising, and I do call it the X factor, okay? It has that X factor appeal to me. A lot of people shy away from it. Don't. It's very, 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 very easy, okay? So how would you recognise a quadratic factorising? Normally it has 3 elements. It can have 2, but we're going to look at the 3 elements. So we have term here. Normally all are squared. The higher, we could have a number in front, but we're going to stick with that. Plus, right, I'm trying to think what I would do now. Let's go, I know, 14x plus 24. So we have always this x squared, normally, or a number in front if it's higher, okay? Then we would have a term here and then a number at the end. So what do we do? Right, okay, what we do is we find the factors always of the last number, and they've got to make the middle number. Okay, now we've already talked about that, so let's have a look. Let's get my black pen again. Let's have a look. So the factors of 24. I'm going to do it down. No, I'll do it here. The sun's a little bit in the way there, but I'll do it a bit higher maybe. 1 times 24, 2 times 12. Ah, wait. Oh, well, I'll go 3. 3 times 8, 4 times 6. But I'm already seeing the pair that I'm going to pick. I've got a 2 there, if you can see that clearly. I've got a 2 there. 2 and 12 can make 14. So out of my 24, my factors of 24, I've picked a pair. This is my pair. I've picked a pair that will make 14. That's okay, because actually that's just plus 2 plus 12, because this is a plus. So plus 2 and plus 12 makes 14. So that's quite nice. So what do we do? Well, here comes the X factor. So start from there, do an X to your 24. A line to your 24. Start from there, do a line here. That's our X factor. Okay? What do we times X by to get X squared? Yeah, X. Hold on, these numbers here. Just put them at the end of each of your lines. Yeah. And guess what? There's our first bracket, X factor. So we've got X plus 2, and there's our second bracket. I can't put it along there, but it should go in a line, but X plus 12. And that's our answer. Sorry, you can't see that very well because of the sun. Hopefully you can see it. I can't get that sun out of the way, I'm afraid. Shouldn't moan about a bit of sun, though. Let's do another one. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of all of that. So I'm going to kind of do a bit of role play here. So let's go x squared plus 16x plus I might change that actually. Sorry, might change that. 9x. So let's go 9x plus 20. Okay, so what I'm going to do is make this interactive. So I'm going to be asking you the question. What is the first thing that I do? Excellent. I have found my factors of 20. What do I do with these? Excellent. I pick the pair that can make this. 5 and 4, 5 plus 5 plus 4. Yes, that would make plus 9. Excellent. Okay. What do I do next? Correct. X factor. So this has already been dealt with here. So what do I do next? Yeah, x times x, x times x. What do I do next? Wicked. Plus 5 plus, that didn't work, plus 4. Now, it doesn't matter if I put 4 here and 5 here. It doesn't matter which way round I do it, okay? Okay, so let me make that a bit clearer. So which one's my first bracket? Yeah, it's the top bit. X plus 5. And which one's my second bracket? Yeah. X plus 4. And that is quadratic factorising. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple on the board. I'm going to leave them there and you can answer them. And I will mark that for you. Or I might do it as immediate feedback. Maybe multiple choice or true and false, maybe. Okay, so let's have a look. Let's see which two I can give you. Keep them quite, simple at the minute. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Number 1, x squared plus, I haven't put that in yet, plus, let's do, and 2, let's do, let's have a look at this, don't get confused with this. Yeah, let's do this one. Okay, so just in case you can't see because of the sun, we've got x squared plus 8x plus 15. And number 2, we've got x squared plus 24x plus 23. Have a go at these. And my next video, I'm going to explain how we make that 0. How we make it 0. Okay then, take care. Bye.